Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add signature in Google Docs. So it's pretty simple. For this, you want to click on insert at the top, choose drawing, and click on new. Once you click on new, the drawing board will appear. Now on your drawing board, you want to choose this option over here, and over here choose where it says scribble. Once you choose scribble, you can enter your signature over here. So I'm going to enter my signature over here. Now this is something random I'm typing, but you guys can enter the signature which you want. After you enter the signature you want, click on save and close at the top. Once you do that, the signature will appear at your page. You can place the signature wherever you want, or you can even like resize it to the size you want, just like this. So that is basically how we guys can add signature on your Google Doc. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related with Google Doc like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day. And remember, wherever your cursor is placed, that is the place where the signature is going to be placed. But you can, as I said, you can always choose where you want it to be placed like this. You can press enter like this, you can press backspace like this to choose the place where you want it to be placed. Okay, hope you understand.